guys, and welcome back. I just have a different video for you today. I want to share with you a Costco summer clothing haul. I've got a Costco clothing haul and try on for you today. I have got a bunch of Costco summer clothing items that I want to share with you. If you guys are interested in seeing how to look summer ready wearing Costco clothing, stick around. I'll show you what I'm doing. The first item that I want to show you are these shorts from Costco. I paid $9.99 for these Orvis white shorts. They are in the size large and they've got two pockets on the back and then two pockets, like standard pockets on the sides. These shorts are definitely giving a little bit mom shorts, but these are really comfortable. Besides the fact that they're white, because I spill a lot of stuff, I think that I will get a lot of use out of these. These would be really good for like a day at an amusement park, or even my family intends to go to a museum next week. So I think I might wear these there. I've paired it with a pair of these Guess shoes that I've got from Macy's, and this really old, this shirt is so old, you guys. I think I got it from like Marshall's, like maybe like 6 or 7 years ago. I love this shirt. It's just so easy to just throw on over anything, and it kind of just makes you look put together without having to do a lot of effort. So I put this outfit together for just like a summer day with your family or something like that. But these shorts were really good, steal for $9.99. I did get my daughter a pair of these same shorts in blue, and they came in like this weird greenish shade, but she gets a lot of wear out of these as well. So yeah, this is our first item. I love Costco anything, so I'm always willing to give them a try. Next item I'd like to show you are these linen pants from the brand Briggs. I got these in black and I got these in this tan shade. They are both in the size large. I like to have a little bit of room to move. These are definitely linen. They're a little itchy. They're definitely linen, but they still are very comfy. I paid $12.99 for both pairs of these. These are really cute. These would be nice for like a nighttime picnic or barbecue or just something kind of really casual. They look more like sweatpants on camera than they are, but these are really a nice linen. They've got this pockets here on the side and then a little pocket in the back as well. It kind of gives you the SpongeBob butt a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, this shape is not a normal pant shape for me. I'm really short, so wide legs tend to make me look really short and like thick. So I don't tend to grab towards these, but I want to change it up for 2025. I just wanted to try something new, and these are very comfortable, I have to say. I still have on my Guess shoes, and they're a little bit long. Like I said, I'm quite short, but they're not bad. So these are the tan ones. I just put it on with this little tank top that I think is from like Kohl's or something. And yeah, so let's see what the black ones look like. All right, everyone, here is the black version of the Briggs linen pants. Now, I definitely prefer this version over the tan. These ones aren't as scratchy, and I just love the look of this so much better. The shirt is the same tank top. I believe it's from Kohl's. It's just in black. And yeah, I really, really like this outfit. I could totally see myself just throwing this on to go hang out with my girlfriends or something like that. I put it with this gold necklace. I thought that looked really nice, and I'm feeling it. I would more than likely put a little shawl or small sweater over this because I also tend to get chilly even when it's really hot. So that would just make me feel complete. But other than that, I am digging this for $12.99. These are going to be really nice for the summer. They're really breezy and easy. So when it's hot, you're not going to feel the heat in your pants as much. Does that make sense? But these are really nice. So I'm excited for these for the summer. So I still have on my white shoes, but they still look good with them. You could definitely put like some heels or something, and that might zhuzh it up just a little bit, but I don't go anywhere that requires heels, so we won't do that. So yeah, this is it. What do you guys think? You like the tan or you like the black? It's always black for me. So, all right, let's go on to the next thing. A bit of athleisure wear. This is a two-piece outfit from Costco. I believe the shirt was $9.99 and the pants were $12.99, or the shorts were $12.99. So let me tell you about this. The shorts are the Mendota high rise ribbed biker shorts, and these are in the size small. I like these shorts because they have a little bit of pocket on the side here, which is really important to me. I like to have something to slip my phone into. These would be really nice for the gym, but I would need to do like an extra small, I think, for the gym because I like it to be really tight for a lot of compression when I'm at the gym. I don't want to move around at all. So this is nice for, I think, hanging out or something, but I definitely wouldn't want to work out in this. And then the top is the Mendota ribbed fitted active seamless t-shirt, and this is in the size medium. Now I do wish I would have got a small in this. It's just a little long for me. I like it to come up a little bit in the back and go down a little bit in the front, and it's just not fitting how I would love it to, but it's not bad. I mean, this would be cute for hanging out and just running errands, just popping into stores, something like that. So yeah, that's this. We are wrapping it up here with some swimwear. I have this Lands End swim cover up. It's in the shade white and it's in the size small, extra small. This is really, really lightweight. It's super comfortable and it's very, very just flowy. Something you definitely would want to wear to the pool, but yet you look really, really put together. Now, my arms tend to be a little bit bigger all the time, so it fits everywhere else, but it's just a little tight on my arms. But it does have buttons that you can unbutton and we could wear it like that, which I think I prefer. So let's do that with the other one. I'm looking at my monitor, you guys, so that's why I'm kind of looking off to the side. But yeah, I think I like that a little bit better. It was cute the other way too, but yeah, this is really cute. So this is the cover up. Now the swimsuit that I'm wearing is the Lands End swimsuit. It's this purple swimsuit here. This is in the size small. It fits okay. I could maybe go a medium, but it fits pretty nice. I like my swimsuits to be a little bit snug, and I really like this purple shade. It's got some ruching here around the tummy area, which I appreciate immensely. But these shorts are just some really old swim shorts that I wear with pretty much every swimsuit because I like to keep myself a little bit modest and covered up while I am swimming in public. So this is how I would wear it if I were just to go swimming, like out at the gym or something like that. But the other thing that I really like about this is that you could totally just transform this into a cute little summer outfit. Just like tie it up like this, and you could even walk around like this for a day if you were at the beach or something like that. So yeah, this swimsuit is really comfy. I have been wearing Costco swimsuits for the past really long time. I'm going to show you one that I've had for at least 10 years and it still works. It still works really well. This one I believe I paid $17.99 for, and I bought this at the beginning of spring when they first put them out because my Costco is the kind of Costco that if you see it you have to buy it then, because we have so many shoppers in my small town that it will literally disappear, and it did. So yeah, this is the first little swim outfit. This is so cute. This would be perfect on a really hot day. So I'm excited to wear this. Okay, you guys, the next swim costume, outfit, whatever, is my favorite. This one is my absolute favorite. This is what I wear when we go swimming at home in our Costco pool. And I love it. This is a Hurley swim shirt. So this is actually like a swimsuit material, and it's just a long sleeve shirt. It's got this zipper here, and this one is in the size medium. I did purchase this last year, you guys. These were $6.97 last year. So I bought this, and I actually bought it in every shade they had because my daughter and I wear these every single year, or we've been wearing them all year long. These are wonderful because they keep your arms protected from the sun as well as keep your modesty, especially for my daughter. And I really, really like that. I want to just keep her covered as much as possible. She has her whole life to walk around naked. So I don't feel like just because we're swimming, we should be completely exposed. And I am trying to protect as much of my body as possible. So this is the swim shirt. It's in the shade medium. These things are so comfortable, you guys. Now, let me tell you this. They have these again this year. They're $9.97 this year, but they have them in all the same colors. And I think there's a yellow one too. I'm not sure. I'd have to go look. If you guys like this kind of style of swimsuit, if you want to be covered, or it can just serve as a cover up for your actual swimsuit, this I would highly, highly, highly recommend. So the shorts are some swim shorts that I purchased off of Amazon. I like shorts when I swim. So I prefer that. We go to Great Wolf Lodge a lot. So this is like my preferred outfit to go there because I don't have to worry about anything falling out on the ride. It's nice and comfy. It's got pockets somewhere. It's got pockets. Do I have these on backwards, you guys? No, here's the pockets. Yeah. See? So it's got pockets and I can hold all of my stuff. It looks really nice and chic and it is comfortable. So I have it in all the colors. I would highly recommend you guys going and grabbing you one of these. And then also, but I do have the green version of that purple Lands End swimsuit, and I'm going to show it to you guys right now. Here it is. This is the Lands End swimsuit in the teal shade. This one is also in the size small, and it's got a little bit more give than that other one, but it's super, super comfy. It's nice and cute. I will have these swimsuits for a really long time. This is the shirt I just showed you guys. I'm the type of person I keep things forever. This is the swimsuit I was replacing. I decided this year that it had had enough. I've been wearing this swimsuit for 10 years. It's a Speedo brand, but it came from Costco. And this was like maybe $15 at the most. And it was such a good investment. It still fits really well, but it's just getting a little bit worn out. Like I said, we go to Great Wolf Lodge a lot. So it's had its due, but it was worth the money and I'm still going to keep it. I'm not throwing it away. I'm going to just put these with the collection. And yeah, I'm really happy with my Costco swim haul. What do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? Mine always is going to be the Hurley swim top. So it just is what it is. Okay, you guys, so as far as accessories go, I've just got a couple to share with you. I've got these two pairs of slides here now. These are these are from last year, but they do still have these. I paid $9 for both of these. These are the 32 degrees or 32 degrees cool slides. And these are just some basic slides. Now, I wouldn't be caught out in public with these, but these are perfect for the pool. These are perfect for getting in and out of the pool, and if your feet are wet, or maybe even for the gym. And I did see that they do have these currently. They actually have a cream color, and I was really tempted to buy them, but I couldn't justify buying another pair because I don't really wear these too often. But these are good to just run out in, or even like to keep in your backyard for running out there or something like that. So I wanted to mention those. And I also want to mention just one of these crossbody bags. This one is also from Costco. It was $9 as well. And it's got three pockets here, or no, it's got two pockets. And in the inside, it's got the netting and a little tie for your keys. And I just really like it because it's one of those crossbody bags that it's just really easy to just throw on and just throw your stuff in and kind of go, because you don't need a bunch of stuff as you used to, and especially in the summer, you don't want to schlep around a bunch of crap. So this is really good and easy. And especially if you're going to the pool, you could just throw your stuff in here, put your phone here, and you're good to go. Or just for anything you need to do this summer, this kind of bag would be really good to have. I know that they're really trendy and they always have these. They're like $9.99 or something like that all the time. So anyway, those are the accessories that I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, you guys, so that was my Costco summer clothing haul. Most of the things are current, but some of the things I did get last year, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of how you can put together some really cute summer outfits, mainly using Costco items, and that Costco has some really good stuff. Their quality of clothing is really high. You need to return items. They make it so easy to do so. So if you've got a Costco membership, I highly suggest that you are shopping in that clothing section because you have no idea what you're missing, not just for women's clothes, but also for children's clothes. They have so much. I always get my daughter's coats and jackets from there because they are such good quality and they have good prices for the season. As well as my husband likes to get his work shirts from there, like the button down shirts, and his slacks from there because they've got good quality and he goes through them quite quickly. So he can always feel good, like just grabbing one or two when we're there. And yeah, so that is my Costco haul for you guys. I thank you to all my new subscribers and to anyone who comes back to watch because I know that your time is valuable and I appreciate you spending time with me. My name is Jamie, but you can call me Fabs, and I'm a stay-at-home mom, a personal trainer, and I make press-on nails. I also make budget-friendly beauty content featuring stores like Costco and Dollar Tree. So if you are interested in those kind of videos, I kindly ask that you consider subscribing because I've got so much I would love to share with you. And with that being said, I thank you guys so much for sticking with me. I will see you guys in the next video. See you. Love you. Bye.